Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from Middlemost Post. This character is Lily, but we're going to be drawing Lily without the mech suit. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that would be awesome. Alright, so let's get started with Lily. I'm going to start drawing her with an eye. So great big oval, like that. And now we're going to do her eyelid. And then we can do her eye inside. And we can do a little U shape there. And so this great big spot here is going to go all black. Okay, so let's do the other eye. So very similar to what we just did. We're doing all the same stuff, and we're even coloring it in black. All right, so now we're going to do some eyelashes. We put 2 there, and we can put some over here. 1, 2, 3. We'll do a 3rd over there too. All right, so now let's do a little eyebrow. And we're going to do the shape of the head. So it's kind of like a bit of a football shape. So now let's do a bit of hair. So we can slant down this way and come on up, and then come on down and up again, and then slant over that way. And now we're going to do an oval and bring it a line back here to the head and do one more like that. Now let's do a little mouth. So we can do a little curve right there and a little line there and a little smile, a little line underneath the smile. And we can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 little dots. And now from this spot here with our eyelashes, we can do a little curve like that. Now we can do a line coming downward and another one. And now we can do a little line coming this way. And we're going this way here too. And we can do a little foot. And then bring this line to connect with this spot here. Now we gotta do lots more little feet. So let's do another one here. And another one. Another one, and another one, and then we've got the ones on the other side too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one's partner is on the other side, so we just can't see it. And now we can do some little like, kind of like little U shapes, but little waves, we'll say waves. Yeah, just kind of little wavy shapes. All right, so now we are finished our sketch and I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.